What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I wanted to talk about why I believe the market is going to crash, or at the very least, significantly drop next month, September 2022. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos. Get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. Come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club for giveaways, live streams, deal alerts, and a whole lot more. And of course, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account by midnight tonight. Time is running out, and for every friend you refer to the app by midnight tonight, Webull is going to give you all the way up to 100 free fractional shares. Don't pass up on an opportunity. You only have a couple hours left. Everything will be linked in the description. Alright, so in today's video, I wanted to talk about why exactly I'm anticipating a market crash, or at the very least, a significant drop in prices as early as next month. This video is being filmed on August 9th, I believe it is. Filming about a week or two in advance, but obviously I'm talking about September. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say in this video or on my channel should be considered financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So we're going to get into it, and oh man, I'm going to need some G Fuel for this one. Some healthier energy, sugar-free, low calorie, packed with vitamins. This one in particular is peach ring flavored, like the candy. It's absolutely delicious. If anybody wants to try it, I'm not sponsored. I wish I was, but I'm not. If you want to try it and get $5 off your first purchase, use my link in the description. Okay, so back to the market crash. Just so everybody has a rough idea, or I guess before I get into that, for those of you that didn't know, there is something called the September effect. That's why I'm talking about September of 2022. There's something called the September effect, which is defined by Investopedia as the, quote, historically weak stock market returns for the month of September, end quote. When I found out about this a couple years back, I thought it was pretty interesting. And my first thought was, all right, stocks fall in September. What about, I don't know, precious metals? What does silver and gold do typically in the month of September? So just to give you a rough idea of how silver, gold, and the S&P 500 have performed every September for the last 3 years, check this out. I have some numbers written down right here in my phone. In September of 2021, last year, silver fell around 13%. Gold fell around 6%, and the S&P 500 fell around 5%. That was September of last year. September of 2020, silver fell around 19%. Gold fell around 5%. The S&P 500 fell around 4%. That was September 2020. September 2019, silver fell around 10%. Gold fell around 3.5%. The S&P 500 fell around 3%. And I can keep going, by the way. I just wanted to highlight that this happens almost every single September. Not every September, but most Septembers. And to my understanding, I don't believe there's an exact specific reason this occurs. It could be a variety of factors. For example, Investopedia suggests that it may have something to do with seasonal behavioral bias, because a lot of investors move to cash as the summer comes to an end. September is also usually when political tensions really start to build up during presidential and midterm elections, for example. And I would also assume that Q3 coming to an end and moving into the final quarter of the tax year probably has a lot to do with it as well. there are a lot of factors when it comes to the September effect. Does this mean that we will 100%, without a doubt, for sure, positively, absolutely see the market fall in September this year? No. No, it doesn't. Not at all. I, however, believe that it will. We have midterms coming up. GDP data was just released and it confirmed that we are in a technical recession. Earnings reports have not been looking too impressive. The list goes on. We also have the second of 2 CPI reports before the next Fed rate hike coming out next month. We're getting hit from all angles. And if I'm right about this, I think that means that starting next month, the fear, uncertainty, and doubt will become amplified. And we'll probably see, at the very least, a fairly decent drop in prices. Now, I just wanted to give everyone a quick, friendly reminder to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. It's your last chance to do this. Promo ends at midnight, and you can deposit as little as you want, by the way, even as little as a penny. It still works, it still counts, you still get your up to 12 free fractional shares, and for every friend you refer to the app by midnight tonight, Webull's going to give you all the way up to 100 free fractional shares per referral. Don't pass up on an opportunity. Webull link in the description. Time is running out. If you don't want the stocks, go and get them anyway. They're free, then just sell them. Congratulations, now you have the cash to do whatever you want with. Webull link in the description. But when it comes to everything that we're looking at right now, all of the different factors that typically play a role in why the markets tend to fall in the month of September. This year, I don't believe is going to be any different, except this time around, I think there's going to be even more fuel added to the fire. Now, of course, as I said before, I'm not going to sit here, or actually before I even talk about that again, let me mention that I'm not going to sit here and make claims or price predictions by any means. What do I know at the end of the day? I'm not a psychic. I could be completely wrong about this, which is why I'm not going to sit here twiddling my thumbs waiting for the crash or the dip to happen. I don't believe in timing the market. I don't believe in waiting for prices to do what I want them to do before I take action. That's not how I go about stacking, and that's not how I go about investing. However, I do believe there will be some major buying opportunities next month. And I remember mid-September of last year, I was unprepared for the price drop. I completely forgot about the September effect. And I said during several VIP Club live streams, and by the way, VIP Club members watching right now, if you remember me saying this, please vouch for me in the comments. I said that next year, aka this year, because I said that last year, I'm going to spend the month of August raising as much cash as I can in preparation for the dip. Of course, I'll keep making my regular silver and gold acquisitions, as I've been. I'll keep making my daily or weekly or monthly contributions, as I've been, just to keep busy in case I'm wrong. But I'm also going to be sitting on more cash than I would ordinarily be comfortable with, just in case I'm right. In fact, you know how I said before that I'm filming these videos like a week or two in advance? Want to know why? Or one of the reasons why? It's because I went and got myself a whole new job just for the rest of this month and next month, just to make more money so that I can invest more money in September. That's how convinced I am. Now again, I could be dead wrong here. Do not follow my lead. This is all just my opinion, and I'm speculating over here. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some guy on YouTube that happens to be extremely motivated to win and not afraid to lose, and I'm documenting the journey. Do your own research, form your own opinions, make your own decisions based on your conclusions, not mine. But I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. When it comes to the September effect, have you ever heard of this before? Is this something that you've noticed yourself? And do you plan on holding on to a little bit of extra cash for the rest of this month and into next month, just in case we see what we typically see most Septembers? Prices going down. Head on down to the comments and let me know. If you guys like today's video, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Go and get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel in the biggest possible way. Come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club, which is where I do giveaways every single month, live streams multiple times a week, deal alerts on silver and gold almost every single day. You can watch all of my videos early and commercial free, and every Saturday morning I post a brand new vlog, and there are a ton of other perks as well. I guarantee you it's worth it. And of course, last but certainly not least, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account by midnight tonight. You only have a couple hours left, and you can do this by depositing as little as you'd like, even as little as a penny. It still works, it still counts, you still get your up to 12 free fractional shares. I know, I've tried it myself. And for every friend you refer to the app by midnight tonight, Webull's going to give you all the way up to 100 free fractional shares per referral, up to 10 referrals, which means if you refer 10 friends, you have a chance of winning all the way up to 1,000 free fractional shares. Don't pass up on an opportunity. Webull link in the description. Time is running out. If you don't want the stocks, go and get them anyway. They're free. Why would you not? Then just sell them. Congratulations. Now you have the cash to go and get you some silver and gold if that's what you want. You can invest it elsewhere if that's what you want. You can hold on to it in preparation for the potential September effect that we're going to see in a couple of weeks. Webull link in the description. Time is running out. You have until midnight tonight. And of course, just a friendly reminder, if anybody wants to try some peach ring flavored G Fuel, or any of the other flavors for that matter, they have like 50 different flavors to pick from. You can get $5 off your first purchase by using the link that I'll be leaving in the description. Sugar-free, low-calorie, packed with a bunch of vitamins, tastes amazing, and it's better than what a lot of the energy supplements out there do to you, make you all wired out and jittery. Link in the description. And I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know once again, what are your thoughts on the September effect? Is this something that you've ever heard of before? Is this something that you have seen before? Maybe you've experienced it before. Maybe you noticed it last year and the year before and the year before that, and maybe other years in the past as well. Head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.